I'm going to show you how to make homemade tomato paste. I'm going to chop my tomato here, and I'm going to remove this white side of it, the stem inside. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to chop everything. I've already washed it, as you can see, and I'm going to move that into my pan. I'll just move this here and add salt and a little bit of oil. I will not be adding any water to this. I know some people make their own with water, but I don't add water just because the tomato itself has a lot of water, so they need to add water into it. I put my cooker onto just a medium, about 3, and just cover this pot and allow it to steam. As you can see, it already formed some water inside. It's too much water. So again, look at me, I'm mixing it here, trying to check to make sure it's not burning. And I'm going to move this to the blender. I'll be taking my blender downstairs to my basement to blend because my baby is sleeping. I don't want to wake her up at this time. So I will take it downstairs. She's a light sleeper. So I'll move everything to the blender like that. And I will blend it, and I'll clean my pot and bring the paste back and pour it in there. I'll be leaving this to cook on a slow heat, very low. Just leave it there. There's no need to rush with it, and allow it to the water to dry. And you can see here the water is almost drying up in it, and here it is. Just after about half an hour in there, and you can see that the oil, I added it because I don't it's kind of like a preservative on it, so I added a little bit of oil. It's okay to add oil because when you're cooking anyway, you're going to add oil. So I had oil on mine. You don't have to if you don't want to. Again, it's my preference, what I want in my house. Please don't come for me. I know some people will say this is not how you make it. This is how I made mine. This is how it's been working for me. And you see that the color is just amazing. I'm going to let it cool down for a little bit, and after which I just cover it, and I'll be putting this in my fridge. A tomato paste came out really good. My baby and I here, we are celebrating. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll be using this tomato paste to cook a variety of things. Subscribe to see more of our videos.